Okay, so this is Lil Blue. If you haven't seen the first video I did of him, I'll put a card up here in the top. He's the one with EPM. He's been on his medicine about 10 days. Just figured I'd walk him up down the aisle a little bit and compare that to the last video we did and just see if we see any improvement or not. That came out. I do hear that he's still dragging his toes. I don't think it's as bad as the first video. Hear him dragging his toes when he walks. I'll play them side by side and we'll see. It's definitely still not normal, which I wasn't expecting normal. I was hoping to see some improvement. So initially, let's see what he does when I back him up. So I don't know, we'll see. When I put this video together, I'll pull some clips from the other video and play them together, and we'll see if he's any better. I think he is. We'll see. If you want to watch the other videos I've done of him, I'll put a link up here at the top, and I'll do some regular updates on him and see how he goes. Until next time, thank you for watching.